Hey, Crystal, this is Paul Heck with Grassfire Digital Marketing. You know, today's age, we find that the hardest thing for businesses is to be found online for what people are doing to search for your business and search for your services. And so I'm just going to take this quick video and show you 3 things that you can do to your website to help put it up in the search rankings and what your competition is doing, kind of how they're getting found and that sort of thing, just so you can see and understand like how we do what we do. So it's not just having a great looking website, and that's definitely a part of it. We want to represent your company well online, and sometimes even to your employees. It makes a big morale boost for you. But getting the content on your website is key, and that's the #1 thing that you need to do. So content is king. It needs to be keyword rich, so we need to do some research to figure out what those keywords are, like how are people searching in our area. The second thing is strengthening the website. We do that through things called backlinks. So these are outside websites that we will build content on that will refer back to your website and pass power to it. And the third thing is citations. So this is listing your business name, address, and phone number consistently across online directories so that you have a bigger presence online than what your competitors do. This helps push you up in your Google business profile in addition to strengthening your website. And we do all of those things. We also do Google ad campaigns and such, if that's something that you are looking at doing. But let's dive into your website. So when I talk about content, I'm talking about the words on the page. We talk about a minimum of 1,500 words. It needs to be keyword rich. So we're looking at what are the keywords, and then just how are you found? So you know your website doesn't have a lot of content on it. It has probably almost maybe 300 words or less. That is going to be the key thing to #1 to get fixed on your website, is getting the right appropriate content and doing it in a way that Google likes it. Now, when I drop you into this program called Ahrefs, it shows you've got a 0 on your domain rating and a 0 on your URL rating. That just tells me you don't have very much strength on any of these backlinks coming to you. And you're only being picked up for 2 keywords right now, and those 2 keywords are cross construction and cross construction group. So that's not going to help you find any business. When I look at roofing Rogers AR, like that's a term that somebody's going to type in when they're looking for roofers. They've got a couple of guys pulling up in the map section. This Bryant Roofing, Basie's Roofing. You got JM Roofing Innovations, and then you've got in the organic section down here, NWA Roofing is #1 in the organic section, and Foster Roofing #2. And then you've got Better Business Bureau and some other ones that are just not very strong for that. So what I want to look at is like, how do we get you strengthened so that you're in the map section and in the organic section? Now, NWA Roofing, they have NWA Roofing in their actual name. That actually does help them quite a bit. They've got just some additional content on here. Not a whole lot, but they've got a strong website. And when I look at that, they've got a 14 on their URL rating. They've got 52 backlinks, locations that these backlinks are coming in through. And they've just got specific keywords around Northwest Arkansas roofing that are pulling for them. So if you look at some of this, so Roofing Rogers AR, they're in position 2 for that. And they get 33 traffic coming off of that keyword, and there's 90 searches a month. So they're sucking up about a third of that volume just coming to their website alone. Roofing Companies NWA is another one that they target, 60 searches a month, and they're in the position 2. So they position themselves really well. What we need to do is go in and build a stronger website to push up past the search ranking for some of these keywords. Now, some of the things that I look at is like keyword difficulty. So this 32 and 39, that's going to take a while to beat. So I'm looking at where's the low-hanging fruit. I look for this 10 on the keyword difficulty, and that's going to take several months to get us to push up past them on that, but that's a keyword that I would target over just Roofing Rogers AR specifically. So that's sort of how we do that. Some other competitors you're looking at is Foster Roofing. Their website is a little bit stronger overall. They've got a lot of backlinks coming through 159 locations. It's not a quantity thing, it's a quality thing on the backlink side. So we want to make sure that the backlinks that we are getting are going to be powerful and are going to help you move up for specific search terms. So again, looking at different keywords, Roofing Springdale AR, 39 on the difficulty rating, 40 searches a month. Roofing Company Springdale AR, 30 searches a month, 18 on the difficulty. And they've got a decent ranking as far as their position on this. So it's a matter of like looking at the different search terms and where you're doing business and how we can get that business coming to you over and above your competitors. Now, I'm going to give you some another screencast showing you some of this Louisiana competition and some of the work you can do down there. But that's it in a nutshell. So it's content on your website. It's building backlinks that are stronger than your competitors. We do several different methods for building those. And then the third thing is these citations, so that's listings on online directories. Those three things alone are going to help push you up in the search rankings, especially your content. And then getting those backlinks built organically over time is going to push you up as well. If this is something that you would like to explore further on how we do this, I would love to talk to you about that. Dig into your business and understand your business just more, like how much are you trying to grow, and then create a roadmap on how we can get there. But my name is Paul Heck. I'm with Grassfire Digital Marketing. You can reach me at 479-326-78999, or you can give me an email at paul@grassfiremarketing.com. Thanks.